not the big dogs don't knock them over. Two. Every 2 days.
Yeah, that could be scary.
Watch what you say.
I know, it's really reflective of how you live, I'll tell you.
I'll correct her, but I can still click her teeth.
Jackson,
I
quiet.
can use the collar, correct her, she's still click her teeth. Hey! Wait till
Give him a little ball.
You're very low key. Okay. You're very low key. You're very low key. Thank you.
No, it's because it's Sunday morning.
Oh, no, I've been up since 5 o'clock. You called? You're a trucker, not a farmer. Because I got that. I bet you didn't know we called a few of them. You know, yeah.
And I mean, we are yogi. Yeah, there's some people on cardiac now,
Two male dogs, do they fight?
No. No, they'll sort of. English dogs will take it. I was telling you, no dogs. Yep. Not every dog can handle it. Well, Dave, I thought the idea was to make the dog sit beside you. They get to They tell the dog never.
Hey, Ryan. Come here. I forget his name. Dave?
What?
Gotta watch the dogs with the little one.
Oh, yeah. They'll call the dog. Hey, Julia. Oh, okay.
They steal each other's toys. Get them all. How old is that? She's garden already, eh?
Oh, yeah, you can all fix this place. Room to him. Let's keep the water right there, I guess, right? Yeah. You can tell, eh? The dog's still sideways. I would love to. No, that's my driveway.
Yeah, he's got the same beer.